When it comes to modeling housings of any kind, whether it is plastic injection molded, die casted, or 3D printed, shelling is an essential step. This video will provide a quick guide to get you started with the shelling feature. We are going to start with this simple model here. I've also prepared a drawing with a cross-sectional view so that you can see what is going on with the model as we do the shelling. So let's start the shelling feature. The first option is the thickness, which we will set to be 5mm. Essentially, this is the amount of material that will be left once the internals of the model have been removed. Next, we are asked to pick the faces to remove. Once the shelling is done, these are the faces where there will be no walls. In our case, we will pick the base. Let's say that we want the shelling to go all the way through the cylinder. We will then pick on the top face of the cylinder. Let's click OK and look at the drawing. As you can see, there is an even wall thickness throughout, and in the case of the cylinder, it is shelled all the way through. Suppose that we need to have a different thickness for the rectangular shape protrusion and a triangular shape protrusion. Activate the multi-thickness surfaces field. Pick on the rectangular face and set the thickness to 1mm. Next, pick on the triangular face. At this point, this face is going to assume the same previous thickness of 1mm. To change that, key in the required thickness as that surface is selected. It is always a good practice to cycle through the faces to check that the thicknesses entered are correct. So let's exit out of the feature and take a look at the thicknesses in the drawing. Let's take a look at the option to shell outward. To demonstrate this option, I've created a copy of the model and stacked it right on top of the original. I'm going to change the original body to red and hide it from view. So let's perform a shell on the new body and choose the shell outward option this time round. Let's unhide the original body and take a look at the cross section. You can see that the shell outward option essentially creates a skin around the original body. Alright, that's it for this video. I will see you soon.